Welcome back. Now on your left side menu, you're going to see more elements than the site settings. You're going to see your dashboard, and this is what you have already seen. You're also going to have a user section. And this is where you can add students and manage your students for your courses. What you're also going to see here is you're going to have an owner section. And this is where you can add in individuals that will be owners of your school. What you can also do is to add in authors for your school. So in a particular course, what you can do is you can add in authors that are going to be available to you. Now, if you have affiliates for your school, you will have those affiliates here in this area. And if you want to have custom roles, you can create those custom roles here in this area. But again, this is only going to be available to those who have the highest level plan, which is the business plan. If you are using the professional plan, this feature or function will not be available to you. And once you have walked through this entire section, you will have customized your user's settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.